we will introduce various functions for factory monitoring in Nexim.
Factory monitoring using Nexim is classified into the Visualize and Create Data for Production in the Check category.
In the past, when OEE deteriorated, it was difficult to tell at a glance where the problem was, and it took a long time to identify the cause. A new factory monitoring system, Factory Smart Monitor, changes this situation all at once. Factory Smart Monitor is viewed with a web browser. Usability and display speed have been greatly improved. From a computer or tablet, users can monitor the operation status of the entire factory or each line in real time. Simply click the line with low OEE to check the status of the line. The system also displays a series of error and warning locations and error rankings for each machine, allowing the user to identify error causes in the shortest possible time. Users can also see at a glance how the situation has changed since the measures were taken. Users can also select the errors they are interested in to see the details of the error. Notifications are sent to mobile terminals when errors occur, allowing users to quickly check the line status. Remote operation is done with a tablet. False alarms can be cleared and adjustments can be performed through remote operation without needing to be present at the site. The speed of the primary response is greatly increased.
FUJI, innovative spirit.